brand new tornado warning that is now in effect until 5:15. I zoomed into the area that is under this tornado warning. This alert does include Apache Junction. This tornado warning includes portions of Gilbert down near Higley, also just east of Leisure World. You see where I'm zoomed in on the map. You can see the Loop 202 there. You can see the US 60. Again, this is a new tornado warning that just was issued again right along that line of thunderstorms. I was talking to you about this a little earlier. It's where that strongest line of storms is moving through. You see the bright reds there indicating that heavy rainfall. I'm going to put that tornado warning box right back on there so you can see exactly the area that I'm talking about. And I'm going to zoom in further to street level again, just so that you have a better idea. Now, it's going to be a little difficult to see as this line of storms moves east, because what you're seeing is that this is moving right over the Phoenix radar site. So it's kind of like the cone of silence. It's a little bit difficult to see right next to that radar. But either way, know that this storm is showing some signs of rotation. And so because of this, we are under a tornado warning for the East Valley. This is Gilbert. This is Apache Junction. Apache Junction, this line is heading towards you. By the way, you can see how quickly this storm is moving. They've already trimmed back a portion of that tornado warning on the western edge. This is really the leading edge that's the biggest concern. I'm going to turn on that velocity again to show you that rotation within that thunderstorm, and we're going to put it in motion. What you're looking at right now is those reds and those greens right next to each other. We get some bright coloring there, and when we see these colors right next to each other, these are the winds inside this thunderstorm. And so what this indicates is that there is some rotation, the reds flowing away from the radar, the greens flowing towards the radar. That an indication that there is at least some rotation within this thunderstorm, and that this storm is capable of putting out a tornado. Again, that area of biggest concern is right by that desert Doppler radar. You can see it right along the Loop 202 where we're seeing again that rotation. Now I'm going to put the rain back on here to show you that heavy rain that's sweeping through.